Want to make real money online in 2025? You're just one idea away. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 proven methods to build a steady income online. No fake promises, just real opportunities. First up, freelancing. If you've got a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, you can sell it online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Start small, build a portfolio, deliver great work, and soon you could be earning $500 to $2,000 a month, even from home. Pro tip: pick one niche and master it. Clients love specialists, not generalists. Next, dropshipping. You don't need to own any inventory. Just create a Shopify or WooCommerce store, choose trending products, and connect suppliers who ship directly to your customers. You handle marketing, they handle delivery. It's one of the easiest ways to build an automated business. Just learn digital ads and basic store design. Pro tip: use TikTok or Instagram Reels to promote your products for free traffic. Finally, content creation. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or blog. Share your knowledge, review products, or teach something valuable. Once you hit consistent views or readers, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Post, learn, improve. So there you go. Freelancing, dropshipping, and content creation. 3 legit ways to make an income online in 2025. Which one will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more online money tips.